welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. It's Sunday, so you know what Sunday is, right? Sunday brunch time. And today I'm going to make some beer pancakes. I'm just going to use the Krusteaz pancake mix, nothing, not the extreme homemade, but from the mix. And for the beer I'm going to use today is called a Piehole Cherry Vanilla Porter. This is from Flagstaff, Arizona, and from Historic Brewing. My son brings me this stuff, and I'd imagine you could probably use other kinds of beer. I was thinking of maybe that Leinenkugel Summer Shandy, because it's kind of a lemon beer. For those Sunday brunchers that like mimosas, hey, what about a champagne and orange juice pancake? That could work, right? All right, so we're gonna get this mixed up. We're gonna get it on the Blackstone, we'll give it a try, and we'll let you know how it tastes. I'm just gonna spread some butter on the Blackstone. This is butter with canola oil, so it shouldn't burn. And we're gonna get our pancake. Krusteaz says to have one cup of mix, 2/3 cup of water, but we're gonna use this Cherry Vanilla Porter. Okay, mix it in there. Got a little darker coloring to it. Of course, the best part of only using 2/3 of a cup is, hey, you get to drink the rest of it, right? Okay, let's go get this on the griddle. Okay, these are starting to look like they're getting ready to be flipped. Look at that. These are really fluffy, actually. I don't know if that has to do with the beer or not. Probably could have added a little more than 2/3 of a cup. But hey, they look delicious. Man, they really smell good. I wish you could smell these. You can kind of smell that Cherry Vanilla Porter in them. All right. Okay, I'm gonna get these off of here. Okay, let's get a couple of these plated up. Just gonna put some butter on there. Okay, I'm gonna stack it too high. Looks good on both sides. I'm not going to put any syrup on this yet. I want to be able to taste the Cherry Vanilla Porter first, and then we'll go with our maple syrup or whatever you want. All right. Okay, so here we have our beer pancakes made with Cherry Vanilla Porter. That is from Historic Brewing in Flagstaff, Arizona. Tastes pretty good, actually. All right, so we're going to give this Cherry Vanilla Porter beer pancake a try. They smell amazing. Let's hope they taste like they smell, because they smell really good. All right, I have no syrup on these. They're just with butter. That is pretty good. Definitely a pancake. And it's definitely flavored with Cherry Vanilla Porter. All right, you want to make something different with your pancake, use beer. Or a mimosa. Or flavored anything. These are delicious. And I don't have anything on them. Oh. Now I want to get some maple syrup on them and try them, but I'm sure it's going to be awesome with that too. All right. Thanks for watching. Beer pancakes, give them a try. I think you'll like them. You could probably just use regular beer, but I wanted some kind of a flavor, so I put the Cherry Vanilla Porter. All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. before you go, I gotta tell you, I did not tell my wife I was putting any beer in our pancakes. I put that Piehole Porter, the Cherry Vanilla Porter in there, and she loved it. She's like, what did you do to these pancakes? These taste really good. So there you go. I got a testimonial. Doesn't happen all the time with her. She loves my cooking, obviously, but man, when she makes a comment like that, I gotta brag about it. So anyway, now you can go, well, like, subscribe, then you can go get on with the rest of your day. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.